Welcome to the ultimate review of the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, truly the industry leader in noise cancellation. If you're searching for unparalleled silence and incredible audio quality, your search for the best noise-canceling headphones ends here. These Sony XM5s virtually eliminate distractions, creating a personal oasis, whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing at home. It's not just noise cancellation, it's an immersive experience that lets you focus purely on your music or calls. With an impressive 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy endless playlists or long flights without constantly worrying about recharging. Imagine transatlantic travel or back-to-back work calls. These premium headphones keep going as long as you do. Plus, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone, making them incredibly versatile for daily use. This combination of intelligent features and pristine sound makes the WH-1000XM5s the definitive choice for audiophiles and busy professionals alike. Ready to experience the difference? Click the Amazon link in our description to get your own Sony WH-1000XM5 today. For anyone looking to invest in top-tier audio in 2025, these are the best headphones money can buy, a true game changer.